Watch the 4-5, fuck that nigga head up. Watch them gun bullets fuck his head up. You gon' watch them guns start fucking clapping shit. You gon' watch the 4-5 HDs fuck his head up. You know we got Ruger HDs. You can't not fucking run. You know this fucking drill season, bitch. You know this fucking drill fucking season, bitch. You know we got Ruger HDs too, bitch. You can't fucking run from no fucking gun. You try to run, you know my ass gon' fucking shoot you, bitch. Watch the 4-5 fuck you up, bitch. You know the analyst gon' come pick his ass up. You know I ain't gon' show no mercy for these fucking niggas. We can't show no mercy. You know buddy ass fucking with the op. That's gonna get buddy ass popped in this shit. You gon' watch the 4-5 fuck buddy head up. You know the analyst gon' come pick his ass up. You can't fucking run from no fucking gun. You know buddy ass goofy as hell. Know my ass gon' shoot his ass all in this fucking shit. You gon' watch the 4-5 fuck that nigga head up. You know the analyst gon' come pick his ass up. They gon' put cotton tape all over that nigga fucking body. You can't run from no fucking gun. You goofy as hell, you goofy ass niggas. You know these niggas bitch making shit. We know Mr. Mills, you a fucking bitch. I don't give no fuck about no bitch ass nigga. You gon' watch the 4-5 fuck that nigga head up. You know my ass just smoked his ass, bitch.